Find features that differentiate it from other brands for ROCSUMOO Infrared Sauna for one person. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Rapid heating system. 7 carbon fiber heating plates are scientifically distributed to form a surrounding heating system, ensuring uniform and stable temperature inside the cabin. Within 1 hour, the cabin temperature can be quickly raised from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, starting your warm journey quickly. Intelligent temperature control. Precise adjustment of a wide temperature range of 77 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, meeting different needs from gentle relaxation to deep sweating. Built-in intelligent constant temperature chip, real-time monitoring and automatic maintenance of set temperature, avoiding the risk of overheating and providing more secure protection. Upgraded health therapy. The 6-color LED therapy lamp can freely switch between 6 phototherapy modes including red, blue, green, and so on, and is equipped with infrared heating technology to promote blood circulation, relieve muscle fatigue, and achieve dual physical and mental healing. Convenient operation experience. The touch panel integrates an intelligent operating system, with one-click temperature control and dimming, and supports timed reservation function, making operation convenient. Humanized detail design. The sauna room is equipped with cup holders and towel racks for easy placement of drinks and hanging towels. The backrest support provides lumbar support, making sitting more comfortable. Double-layered tempered glass door with excellent sealing and thermal insulation performance. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.